Basically, hello guys. From past of the time, I was stopping my conversation session because I was busy in some many of the work. So that and recently I watched a video of Manoj Day, where I get a lesson from that. Let's suppose whenever you try to speak in English conversation or try to do the blogging that the public need, you have to be focused about that. You have to be confident and to be contacting your eye towards the camera, because whenever you speak in front of camera or whenever you speak anything or do anything, you have to just to focus that. Don't watch into the display. And the only thing is that I have inspired a lot from this was I was self exploiting myself, that I was negative all the time. The only reason of negativity of with myself was only this thing was I was just wasting my time by watching many of the videos, many things. But recently I have noticed that the only thing, whenever let's suppose the example of Manoj Days, I have recently watched that the person who have nothing, who build something, the person who have nothing, let's suppose that who has 0 rupees in his hand, but he can make the money, but he can earn the money more than the auqat of his whole family. This was the power of self discipline and self improved. So that I also too much confident that the only reason that the most of the people can grow themselves, the it's also called that the self discipline also, it called the call as the self discipline plus the extra junoon, the extra energy that was come from inside with yourself. So that whenever you can do it by the, let's suppose that whenever you watch YouTube video for the any solution, for any pickup anything, let any many more people say that this, I will say don't follow up anyone, just to do, you have to do that, you will do that you wanted to do and that you can do it if you have possible. Don't trust blindly, trust anyone. And that was the reason I, from past to the time, I know this, I recognize myself that I designed the thumbnail. I think that from talking to with myself, I created more than 1 year. But what was the positive changes that I have can created in myself? Nothing. The only reason was I was not to be proper, say motivated or proper energy that with myself, so that I know and I recognize that lots of people or also with my friend also say that you are the very best professional, you are the best communicator, you are the best everything, that's but let's forget about everything. And I will express myself that whenever coming to the past of the time, I recognize myself as a not a time pass people. Let's also coming to the feature from the Sakleen Khan, the video that I have watched from him, I recognize that that mind always say just to keep rest, eating food with the um, eat the food with watching movies, watching videos, and maximum time you have to waste your time not doing anything. This signal by the brain, don't trust him and just to neglect him, and also to take the action taking work. My most of the time was get wasted whenever I was just thinking or just to stand up and visualizing in my mind. This was not to be proper. So that you have to be just focus that uh, be become a good listener, a good say don't to be a overthinker, because I know that I am a too much overthinker. And lots of the video, as you say, my physical body was not to be proper, but also to say that not to say wrong thing, fake news about yourself, that you have whenever you have anything you become, you are, speak truth. From past of the year, I think most of the time I say that I have earning 0 rupees from online. I have spent 0 rupees from online. I have spread fake news about myself that I have earned money from freelancing. I have do internship. Maximum people, the only thing is reason that lots of people says that you are the person who become or who are you, but the original thing, the original reason was no, not at all. You are the just waste of yourself. So that how it could be so much disappointing to you. Always says the truth or reality towards yourself and towards your face, so that it could be how helping you whenever you escaping yourself that I was not doing this, I was doing this, but the reality was originate that people always knows you. Let's suppose a person who can do his job in the field of marketing, people knows any of the work. Let's suppose I have example. Let's suppose a worker come in your house to do the work, but he can't do the work, but just sitting, and most of the time few work he was done. But after the time you recognize that the work that has to be done, but it could not be happen. How it couldn't be happen? The only reason, the only positive thing was that the worker was not doing any work. We recognize or we know that. How? We observe people, so that lots of people, many the people are surrounding us that we have say lies. They observe us. They observe us and they know that the reality behind us, that what would we do and what was the reality behind us. So this was the reason. And basically I recognize or I know that I have to be strong with my physics or physically, so that it will be helping me sorry to say, just to uh, small, wait for a minute. Yeah, now it's ready. Because as the video recorded, my backbone was just sticked and I was too much lazy. We have to stick about ourselves that we are no lazy. We are not a lazy people. We have to be so the attraction, so the public interest toward ourselves, that how we are attractive and how we are glazing the energy towards the video. Let's suppose that any of the people or anyone who can listen or watch the video, but he cannot get the proper guidance, proper confidence. He is just saying, "No, I was depressed, I was so much ill, I cannot do this." This was not to be the proper way. Okay, the only thing is that you have to be confident, you have to be physically strong and mentally. The Yes, this was the reason the mentally strong people was so much important. And I know that how that the conversation was important towards yourself, because you are the only way that you can speak with yourself was the only time with yourself. So that find a time, find a place, whenever you have, whatever you have, just to start, just to do. Let's suppose I have the best smartphone with myself of call that the smartphone called Realme P1 5G, the best looking camera. It record up to 1080p lens. So that I have to know that what was the thing that I have not. I have the best laptop for photo editing, for video editing. I have the best smartphone for editing any software, for editing anything. So that I recognize that what was the deficiency with myself. The only reason is that I was not to be improper with my work, and with not to be assure, or with also say that I was not to be sure, or I was not to be confident with my work, and I doesn't wanted to do such thing. As I say that I have teaching student in tuition. I do I teach the student from past of the time, past 2 years, but I leave it. Why? I have to do for my graphic designing work, but I cannot do the work same as is it. Why I sleep for more than 12 hours? The only reason was that why I waste my time in the evenings, why I am not doing the athletic work, why I cannot do the yogas, exercise, why? The only questioning reason was to ask with yourself. I know that I get the answer. So that my mind or my say my mind, or you can say that my brain has to say that just to stop the video, stop the recording and go away and start thinking, is it the right way or is it the right solution for it? No, it totally wasted. So we have to recognize that this was not the best way or best order. As from past to the time I say that I have to grow my hair, and successfully I grow my hair. But what could be change occur with myself? I grows my hair, I cannot gain anything. Can I earn money from this? The only thing is that you have to earn money. This was the dark reality that you have to be faced toward yourself. Okay, and to be self-confident it takes lots of time. I know this was dark reality, but you have to be always come with the camera, in front of camera. You have to speak about anything that you know, and you know the only thing is that you want to speak. You can, you will create everything. The only thing is that you have to be consistent in your work. For continuing your watching by, I know that my voice was not to be good, but I can help, or I can practice a lot so that the voice quality will be improved. As you can hear my voice, I know that I have from past few minutes ago I go give some signal toward my mind that I will record definitely, anyhow, any condition I can record the video for 30 minutes. But why I cannot record it? What was the reason behind it? Anything? No reason. So that only thing is that your mind always say go to the rest, go to the rest, but no, I have take the decision. I know that I have to improve my communication skills. I know that I have to improve my body. I know the only thing, first of all, the thing I recognize or I say to you that why I am too much disturbing or disturb, or why I cannot do anything. The only reason I will express you that, you know, the only single reason was I was busy in some other activities that was not to be called as proper, or not to be recognized as a work. I was distracted, and I know the point of distraction and by whom. I know that this was a wrong thing that I have go through it, and I recognize that this was a vulgarity about myself, that no, this could not be happening again and again. Why I can go for him? Why? The only reason that I get the fun, but also by expressing why I cannot get the fun, such type of fun, by doing the physical activities such as doing the gym. Why? I want to spend more time with us, with him, but why? But after time I know that, I realized that no, this was my mental masturbation only thing. So that if I need to change it, the only thing I have to do that, just forgot about everything. What was forgetting? The forgottenness was the forgottened was just to leave the thing that was not to be helpful to your career. And also think that also something called that make a distance from your family, because whenever you have a distance from your family, your maximum outcome work was going toward positive. But if you have engaged with your family members, you have wasted your time. So that second thing is that, and every day approximately 8 hours of work will be do for yourself. Internal motivation that you have to come from yourself, that you have to do it, done it, or you have to do it. The discipline was that 8 hours of work. For couldn't, I don't know, but how it possible and how it could be happening, it doesn't matter, but you have to do it. I know that my sitting posture was good. I was sit for approximately more than 3 hours. Okay, but why I cannot do for long hour? I know that I cannot do work in the night, but I can do the work in the night because I have the cold environment. Many people was recording the video in the kitchen. They have the no studio. We were editing the video with lots of temperature, but they can't do. Why? Because the internal motivation, the internal जोश, उत्साह, जुनून, शक्ति कि हाँ भाई मुझे वो चीज़ क्रिएट करना है. आई हैव टू डू इट, आई वांट टू डू इट, आई कैन डू इट, आई विल डू इट. This was the internal motivation, and the same type of motivation was why you don't have. Stop wasting your life. I know that my most of the time was going to this. I can spread my eyes so that anyone can hear me, watch me. But the thing was that why I can watch them. They can watch them because I was walk with myself. I will give my time toward myself, that I can create my changes, that I can change myself. By doing what? By doing recording the videos, improving the quality of my voice. I know that, I recognize that, and everything that could be happening by small taking action. And my mind always say that I can do this, I can record the video, I can enjoy the video, watching the videos. But don't worry about it. No, forgot everything. I know that I cannot do editing, but while uploading this video, I am upload with the thumbnail. That stop wasting your life. I know that it wouldn't be happen, but taking a small say as a small I can say target, or concentrating discipline. Let's take a 10-day challenge toward myself, that I can, I will, or I am proving myself that I am not that I am fake news toward anyone. I am become to the person who I am and who I was. I have to prove myself, and I can prove myself that I have, and I don't. And from this time, I was not so, or don't talk lie toward myself, because only thing toward in your life that can degrade yourself, that can backwarding yourself, the only thing was, only single reason was, the only single reason was to say lie toward yourself. Whenever you say single lie or anything lie toward yourself, that I can do in my future, that I can do in my past, from this day, you always lying yourself. Let's suppose you have a dream. I know that I have a dream, I can do the work, every time I have recognized in my mind. But why you cannot do? The only reason was I was just spending my time, more time to that I have lots of time, I can do in the past, I can do in the future. I cannot do anything. Lots of pressure in my mind, and lots of khayal was, or lots of thoughts was coming in my brain. But stop doing everything and do the work that you do, that you like, and forgot about everything. As we know that as a human being, we couldn't stop our thinking, we couldn't stop our thought, because millions or billions of thoughts was coming in a day, for let's suppose. But some of the thoughts that was come in our brain, uh, also to say, some of the thoughts that comes in our brain was not to be necessary, but that can repeat again and again just to write in a copy and say. Forgot about everything just to say what was it. This is worthy toward it. This is help in the whole day. This will can give money to me. Everything that you can write in your copy and say, this is worthy to spend time by thinking such a thing. I know that from every time that I just stop and just thinking, go for that thinking. I know I was waiting for, or I was go and I was listening. Sorry to say, I will not express it, but from every day, I think that I have the time. I get something. I will give something that दिल्स me चीज that something that can give me and I will become that. No, let's suppose that if you want to grow yourself, if you want to become a good communicator, if you want to become a good speaker, if you want to become a good editor, you have to be do the work as per day, regular activity by doing single collection. But why you cannot do it? The single reason was you just appreciate yourself that I was just a good guy. No, the public doesn't need you. Why public needs you? As a beginner or as a many of the thing, if you are bad guy, if you are good guy, why public needs you? What is the reason behind you? And also the living life or the luxury of life says that what was the purpose of your life and why you create, or what change that you have created in your life. Does anything that you have created, why people, how people can say that he have something, build it, he have something, until and unless people always say sorry to say, until and unless people always says that he has nothing, he was nothing. As coming to my friend zone, some of my friends says that he has no refrigerator, he has no washroom, he has no any supply of water. That beats a person emotionally. But I know I don't have it. But why I cannot try to grab it? Hmm. Let's suppose they have the same thing by their parents. Their parents give them. Okay, don't worry about it. Their parents give them. But I know that my parents cannot give me. But why cannot try to purchase it? Does I was that kind of weak? Can you say? The only question asking to you that I was that kind of emotional person or that kind of weak person with myself that I cannot do anything. Such kind of weakness not from myself, and I was not a weak. I know I was a strong. I know I can do the work by doing the consistency. I change my studio. I have the sticky notes. I write it. I wrote it, and delete the MX player. Deleting the Geo Hotstar, where I was wasting my time. I know. I recognize it. Some of the main time was going by watching the Ludo. I know. But today's goal was just to read the book. At least one chapter. I know this was some boring task. But what can I will do? As I wasted my time. But if I have something some of the time, some basic time, some small time that I can create change, then why I cannot give effort towards it? I know I cannot get. Let's suppose they are coming to the life of Manoj Dees. Okay, the social media grows slowly, rapidly grows. Okay, he has get phone in 2017. He worked in 2017, 18. He get earn money in 2019. Okay, he work continuously without knowing that he can get money from it. But the only reason that he was disciplined towards himself was that the internal motivation, the internal ag, junoon was from him. And the same thing why I cannot have. The only reason was I was disappointing myself, or I assembling myself that I was focusing my time or myself in wrong direction. I know that this was wrong. I suddenly recognize. I get it. Today's date was I was recognized. I write it and I learn it because this was so much important toward myself that from coming past of the time खुल के बताना चाहेंगे. I loved to do such a thing, but I currently I have not do some such thing again. But why? I will explain it to you. The reason that I know that it's a wrong thing. It's a wrong thing about myself. It's a waste of time. One day I become a man. Okay, what was the nature of man? As I know that man was who are men. Man become stronger. Man become a money maker. Man become a supporter to the family. But I was just chulbula, just saying something, and I was I was just saying, yes, I can do it, I can do it. Just in a funny way. I can enjoy my life as my brain said. I can get the dopamine, and I waste my time. Why? 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 The reason was why. Why I can speak with myself more than 2 hours? What was the quality that I don't have, and why I could not? The reason was clear, that I doesn't want to do it. If I don't want to do it, but I have to do it with internal motivation that you have deserve. In this life, I don't deserve like a poor boy, a poor person. Every time, let's suppose that in your life you get something, you chase something, but after you getting it, you have to go for something else, something more than else. And what was my purpose? The purpose was to earn something, to give my parents, to give my. But I cannot do. Why? Because I was much time strictly go through it. And from that type, for absorbing my whole journey, I have a gain with myself that how a self wasted person is Devendra. But don't worry about it. I recognize, I know that. If whenever I know that, what was the reason that you have waited for it? Just to delete from your memory. The happiness that I can know by talking with myself for more than 30 minutes was insane. Does you know about the name insane? Meaning insane. Insane means the hard to do, or the real motivation, or the real thing, or the real attractiveness that's coming from you. Past that. And doesn't matter how long I speak and not speak doesn't worry about it, but I can do my effort was matter a lot, that I can take a small change in my life, that I can do something in my life, that matters a lot. So that you have to stick toward your words and just forgot everything. I know that I have do lots of mistakes because I am a human. I grow with a social creature. I watch everything and I become the person that I can watch and that I can consume in my life. But I can and I will become a person who I am, or I will become a person who can create something else, something more than that. I will. I have that potential. I can do it. So that this is for the today's conversation, and today's goal was at the last by sitting just to express that say that today's videos today's videos challenge was to read a book, at least one chapter of Atomic Habit. Second thing, to edit the thumbnail of this YouTube video. Third thing, what was the third thing? Use your creativity. Every person has his creativity. Don't say that don't have this type of creativity. Every person, everyone has this type of creativity. The only thing is that you have to realize that what you are. And I get it, and I go for it, and I come for the solution, and how it could be the solved. The only thing, if I call him and just say, this was my time. Sorry, the battery was dead, I think.